This machine hides a feature the world has never seen before, something that will redefine power forever. Powered by next-generation hybrid V12 engineering, this beast isn't just fast, it's intelligently brutal. Every curve speaks aggression, every detail whispers precision. From this angle, you realize this isn't just design, it's domination engineered in carbon. Step inside and you'll discover a cockpit built not for driving but for commanding. An AI-enhanced performance system adapts to your driving style in real time. Zero to breathtaking happens before your heart even finishes a beat. But what truly separates this machine is something no one expected. A hybrid V12 system delivering instant electric torque before combustion even speaks. It doesn't chase the future, it arrives before it. You've seen the power, you've felt the presence, but now, let me show you the revolution. The world's first adaptive hybrid intelligence system that predicts your next move before you make it. It doesn't react, it anticipates. This isn't just evolution. This is intelligent performance reborn.